Hey, I'm Megan with WTI, and what if I told you that humidity could be your hair's new best friend? It definitely is the case for me with this Moroccanoil curl defining cream. I just love this stuff. All I have to do is put a small amount onto my hand and scrunch it into my towel dried hair after I've washed it. And I just let it air dry and let the cream work its magic after that. I have a type 2 wave to my hair, and this cream definitely works for wavy hair, curly, or coily hair. Even though the cream is really thick, it actually is very lightweight in your hair, so you definitely don't feel any sort of crunching or stickiness when applying this in your hair and even as your hair dries. This cream enhances my natural wave and makes styling my hair so much easier now. So if you have wavy or curly hair, go get yourself some of this cream, work with the humidity, and you're gonna love the results. And that's my point of view.